Hi guys, so today I just want to talk about FS codes, and trust me, they're the greatest I've seen so far. I've been like following a lot of people till I met FX codes, and trust me, if you're not part of them, you're missing. Their accuracy is on point, and especially they have this new market strategy, right, that they put into like their trades, and everything goes so smooth. So shout out to Forex Goat, FX Goat. They're the best I've seen so far, straight out of South Africa. So bless. Thank you so much.
What's up, guys? My name is Alex. I'm actually pretty excited about how you guys were able to grow your account, because it shows me that I can grow mine. I really enjoyed your small account video, how to grow a small account, because that's exactly what my plans are. Seeing you guys able to grow a small account just shows me that it's able to be done.
I'm from Nigeria, and I just want to say a big shout out to FX Gold and FX Brothers. You guys are the bomb. You know, I checked some of your videos on YouTube about 3 weeks ago, and I saw the extent of your analyzing what one should do if you want to become a profitable trader trading forex. And I will say I'm very, very impressed, because you guys are so down to earth and bringing the thing that we really want to our doorsteps, you know, giving us free signals. I really want to appreciate that. So I checked out you guys' signal on Telegram after joining the channel, and the signals are so accurate. They're accurate to the point of a sniper rifle, if you know what I'm saying, you know. And I really want to shout out to you guys. You guys are just the best when it comes to forex trading. Thank you anyway. Thank you.